Hi, today we're going to find the mass percents of rubidium and iodine in rubidium iodide. I have a nice little table to help us out. First thing is we're going to find the total mass. Watch how simple this is. Bam. So the first thing is we're going to write down the elements we have in the compound. So we have rubidium and we have iodine. Next is then to identify the number of atoms, and that's where the, what? There's no subscript there. That's where the subscripts come into play. So there's going to be a 1 rubidium and 1 iodine. So you put in a 1 and a 1, and that's all you got there. All right. Anyway, I think I'm going to take a break after this one. So mass of the element, right? These mass are found on the periodic table, so let's take a look. Rubidium is 85.47, and iodine is 126.9, all right? So we got 85.47, and this was 126.90. Then we're going to find the total mass of each element in the compound. Just simply multiply this on across. So this is going to be 85.47 for rubidium, 126.90 for iodine, and then add this column on up and you find the total mass. So this is 212.37, and you can use this process anytime you need to find the mass of any compound. And there you have it. That was the first step of the process to find that total mass of the compound. Now that we know this, I'm going to add a column to this table, and it's going to be easy as cake from here. Watch. Bam. So to find the mass percent of rubidium, we're going to simply take the total mass of that rubidium, the 85.47 units of mass, and divide by the total mass of the compound. Now you don't have to worry about the units here because whatever units you use for this one is going to be the same as this. And when you divide something basically by itself, right, it just cancels. So don't even bother putting it in. So this is going to be 40. I mean, unless your professor or teacher is very particular. But quite honestly, it ain't going to do a thing. So this is 40.25%. All right, so that's the percent here of rubidium. Iodine, now we're going to do the same thing. Take the total mass of the iodine. So you're only looking at this column now when you're calculating these mass percents. 126.90 divided then by 212.37. Multiply that by 100. And it's going to be about 59.75 or so. All right, percent. And then you can simply add that all together, and it should equal 100. All right, that's a way to check yourself a little bit. And you can apply this process now to literally any problem you need to calculate the mass percent of. You can follow this table. The only thing that's going to change is you might have more rows to the table, right? But I'm not really sure what happened there. Anyway, all right, I'm done. I need a break. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.